Hello everyone, welcome to the detector zone. This is smoke alarm system test 3. We got a request to do this. So, what we got interconnected here on the board is the first alert 7020B. We got the Kidde i12010 SCO, Kidde i12060A, and the Kidde 1276. You might barely hear the horn from this one because the horn is nearly, like, almost completely broken. Like, you'll barely hear it. So, anyways, let's get started. The first alarm we are going to test is the first alert 7020B. Here we go. Alright, that's the 7020B. This next one we are going to test is the Kidde i12010 SCO. So, here we go.
Fire. Warning, carbon monoxide. Warning, carbon monoxide.
This third alarm we're going to test is the Kidde i12060A.
Fire. Fire.
Alright, now this last one here is the Kidde 1276. I'll put it close up to the horn. Maybe you guys can, like, at least barely hear it. Let's try it.
Fire.
Let me take these alarms down. Maybe you guys can hear it better. Alright, I got the alarms down. So, here we go. Wait, let me get the power back on. Alright, here we go. And there you have it. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys have any more requests, leave them in the comments below, and I will get to them as soon as I can. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Take care.